Who doesn't know Cam Scanner? The ubiquitous app that was on every smartphone. We used it to scan our marks cards, driver's licenses, PAN cards and what have you. In the last week of June, however, this came to an halt, with Indian government banning almost 60 Chinese apps, including our favorite scanning app, Cam Scanner. This was the push that Ordenado needed to pitch its homegrown scanning app, Kagas, to the world. Ordenado in Spanish means sorted. As the word goes, the company focuses on creating tools which maximize productivity. The company was founded in 2019 by Snehanshu Gandhi, Gaurav Srimal and Tamanjeet Singh Bindra. Sorted AI was the company's first product and Kagas its second.
The whole idea is that we live in a world with information overload today, and we miss out on what's important in the whole clutter that is coming our way. So the whole idea of Ordenado is to build AI-powered productivity tools that will help people manage this information overload without putting a lot of effort in doing that.
If Kagas scans the document, Sorted AI makes sense of the information on the app. Though they are separate apps now, the company hopes to integrate them together to give a seamless experience to the user.
For example, you use Kagas to scan a document, which is your vehicle insurance document. According to the information that's there, it will basically also help you set up the, store the document on cloud storage so that you can access it anytime. And will also understand from the document, okay, this is a vehicle insurance, it is for this vehicle number, it is provided by this insurance company, and it is up for renewal on this date. Basis that date and this information, it will automatically set up a reminder for you. So all of this happens just by the fact that you've scanned a document using Kagas Scanner. Now today, Kagas Scanner is only a scanner, but the other things that I talk about, where a cloud storage is there or an automatic reminder gets set, all of that is available in Sorted AI.
In fact, Kagas owes its existence to a drawback that the founders identified when users started using Sorted AI.
Now, one of the things that we were having a challenge with was that people were not uploading documents to Sorted AI as frequently as we would have liked. And we realized there is a inertia there because they're scanning it using some other application, and then to upload to Sorted AI, basically they have to download it from that application and then upload it onto Sorted AI, which was an extra step for people. So why not we also make a scanning app where people will scan the document and the Sorted AI part of it starts working automatically.
Kagas was launched on 15th of June, just weeks before the ban, as a response to PM Modi's call for Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Then the ban happened and we were ready at that time. So we started promoting it that here's an app which you can use if you are looking for a scanning solution, since the Chinese apps are banned now. And we just started pushing it on channels like WhatsApp and Twitter and social media in general. No marketing money being spent on that, just pushing it in our networks and on the social platforms. And we got a huge amount of traction through that. I mean, within the first 3 days, we were like 200,000 downloads, 2 lakh people downloaded in first 3 days itself.
Now Kagas has crossed over 1 million downloads and has received accolades from the Government of India. Ordenado has had a couple of rounds of funding. It was part of an accelerator program at Axelor Ventures. Few angel investors have also funded the startup.
One of the challenges that we faced initially was that productivity as a concept is very different in the Western world versus what it is in India. So when we started building, we were probably more influenced by how Western world sees it. It has to be something which is part of our organic process of daily lives.
Ordenado did two things very well. When the Chinese apps were banned, it seized the opportunity and gave the Indian users an alternative. Kagas has no ads or watermark and does not require to sign in. Since it is being offered to the users completely free of cost, the company is now in a good position to convert Kagas users into Sorted AI users. They have created a potential customer base here.
The first important part is to understand that whatever you're trying to build is something that people need. But it is always about going ahead and building it. A lot of people get ideas, but only few act. If you act on it, you're anyway way ahead of most of the other people.
In the future, Ordenado would like to build more tools to act as your personal assistants while you take care of less mundane things. So what do you think about Ordenado's plans? Share your thoughts in the comments below.